It's time for Reshma's Beauty Tip of the Week, and today I'm going to talk about what rose can do in your skincare. But before I give you the answer, we'd love for you to subscribe to our channel and don't forget to hit that bell icon. I know when it comes to flowers, we all have our own preference, whether it be colors, fragrance, or patterns. But the reason I prefer rose because this is the one flower that is actually good for your skin's natural glow. So rose is a popular ingredient in skincare because of its numerous benefits. It's anti-inflammatory, it's antibacterial. That makes it great for acne-prone skin, while its hydrating properties help soothe dry, irritated skin as well. So rose has antioxidants that also protect against environmental stresses, and its fragrance, which I love, can have a calming effect on the mind and body. But how do we incorporate rose products into our fast-moving lives we live by right now? So following are some ways how we can incorporate rose in your skincare routine. So rose as a facial cleanser is great because it will help cleanse your skin while providing a hydrating and soothing effect. So you can also use the cleanser morning and night to remove dirt, oil, and makeup from your skin. So if you prefer to use a bar soap to cleanse your skin, then look for a gentle natural soap that contains rose. This will help to cleanse your skin without stripping it of all its natural oils. Now rose water. So after cleansing your skin, you have to apply some rose water toner to help hydrate and soothe your skin, because rose water toners also help balance your skin's pH and reduce redness and inflammation. You can also apply the toner to your face using a cotton pad or by just spritzing it directly onto your skin. Number 3 is exfoliation, which is very important. If you want to exfoliate your skin, well, try a gentle scrub that contains rose. This will help remove dead skin cells and leave your skin feeling soft and smooth. Also, use a scrub once or twice a week to avoid over-exfoliating your skin. That's only if your skin is dry though. I have oily skin, so I exfoliate with our rose scrub every day. And now if you're a body wash person, which I am, I like using the rose body wash because it has all the ingredients, the antioxidants, the softness it will provide, and I just prefer body wash. It's just a personal preference. And I know it's a personal bias of mine with roses, but no, it really is good for you to incorporate rose into your skincare because it will help soothe, hydrate, and rejuvenate your skin. So whether you use rose water as a toner, rose essence as a moisturizer, or rose face wash to pamper your skin, you'll be sure to see the benefits of this powerful ingredient into your skincare routine. And of course, any healthy skincare regimen has to have good moisturizer. Moisturizer, moisturizer, moisturizer. Because of its antioxidant properties and soothing sensation, it is known to impart long-lasting freshness to your skin. Incorporate face and body creams infused with rose to treat your skin with the natural freshness. And apply the moisturizer morning and night to keep your skin hydrated and soft. So I hope you enjoyed this video. We'd love to hear comments and suggestions. Please write to us right here, as we love hearing from you. And do subscribe to this channel and hit that bell icon for regular notifications.